Want to recover deleted ChatGPT chats? In this video, I will guide you if it is possible to recover deleted ChatGPT chat. Now, the first thing you want to do is check if you still have the chat open in another tab or device. If you do, copy the entire conversation quickly into a Word doc or Note app, save it as PDF, and then upload it to ChatGPT and ask it to continue as if nothing happened. This workaround might recreate your conversation. Otherwise, ChatGPT does not offer built-in recovery for deleted chats. When you confirm deletion, the chat is fully removed from your history. There is no trash folder or undo feature. Keep in mind that OpenAI generally retains deleted chats for up to 30 days before permanent deletion, but even that may vary based on policy or legal orders. To avoid losing chats, be sure to archive important conversations, export them regularly, or use browser extensions that locally save history. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.